Okay. This is a review. Vevor. I ordered this from that company. I opened it up, set it up, pushed this down. That spring broke. I went to Ace Hardware to replace it. I sent them over 200 emails, and I got this AI reply. I sent them pictures of showing them a diagram of what was missing. No help whatsoever. Picked this up, and this was rattling with this nut behind this button to turn this variable on and off. And you get up to about 1750, its law will go to 19 and then drop down to about 16 or lower. So I went to looking and calling about 2 by 72 grinders to sharpen knives. Do I need that big machine? No, but in case I want to do something different, I can definitely get it done. And I couldn't ask for a better company to deal with, and customer service is bar none the best. This is engineered and manufactured here. Every part that they have that they source is right here from and in the United States. So you want quality, you want a company that's just, so far I've got no complaints at all. Eric has always treated me with great respect, willing to deal with me, willing to talk to me, and if I have a problem, and I've had some questions when I was putting it together to be sure I was right, had no problem talking to me, no problem answering my questions. That's my review. And once again, don't waste your money. I don't care if they're giving it away. They're giving that away on Vevor. Tell them to keep it, because it just is a piece of crap. That is my review. Thank you.